Section 4.1 was our first lesson on matrices and data. So number 13, we are subtracting. Remember to check to make sure that they are the same size or dimensions before you can add or subtract. These each have 2 rows and 2 columns, so this is a 2 by 2. This has 2 rows, 2 columns. It is also a 2 by 2. So if they are the same size, then you can subtract. The answer is going to be the same size as the 2 that you were adding or subtracting. And you just go spot by spot. So negative 4.2 minus 3.2 is negative 7.4. And then go to the next spot. Negative 1, subtract negative 1 means that you're actually going to add. If you subtract a negative, you add. So negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Same with this one. 2.2 minus a negative is going to make that plus 1.5 is 3.7. And 0 minus 2.4 is negative 2.4. Number 18 gives you a matrix G and asks you to find 2G. That's a scalar. 2 is a scalar. And I wrote G here for you. So these two mean the same thing. If they give you matrix G and tell you to find this, or if they write it like this, both of those mean to multiply every number in the matrix by 2. So on the top row, we get 10, 4. The middle row, if I multiply by 2, is negative 4, 0. And the bottom row is 0, 2. And then I just did an extra one to review the address and the entries. So, and dimensions. What size is this? This has 1, 2, 3 rows by 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Remember, it always is row by column. How many rows? How many columns? Here's an address, lowercase m. That means that they're referring to a specific entry or element within matrix M. And this tells you what position it's in. So rows by columns. It is in the 3rd row, 1, 2, 3, and in the 2nd column. So the 3rd row, 2nd column, here's the 1st column, here's the 2nd, that is equal to 2.